Way too much on Miley Cyrus. Private parties, we too invited. Since we all might die from coronavirus, I couldn't care less to get copyrighted, I guess. My drip cost paychecks, I'm blessed. Kinda like Ashley, I'm best dressed. On runways, can't run from the stress. I might walk up out of the edge. Real talk, I just wanna be caressed. Real talk, I got things to confess. Me and my mom is such a mess, but I'ma do me, boy, I won't fret. Ghosting all the saddest, dodging all your tactics, always feel the same inside. Always get sad quick, gotta get distracted, that's why we all stay online. Let's go, let's get it, just said it, go on, just forget it. Let's act like fools and let's exit before we get empathetic. I've been holding violence, always fall for the silence. Said I love your hair, then you dyed it. You were hurt, but you hide it so well, so well. When you break hearts, it's a massacre. Before we ghost, can you ask for her? If she's here, tell her I am not mad at her. Promise, I promise, I got things to